1, 2, 3, go.
This is drone soccer.
Our team is the Sky Blazers drone soccer team. Today we are just practicing for our national tournament, which is coming up in around 2 weeks. We're going to New York to fly against 12 to 16 other teams from around the country. We just won the Rocky Mountains Regional Games, and now we're practicing. A normal match is 5 drones on each side with 1 striker and 4 defenders. The 1 striker is trying to fly through the goal on the other side, while the 4 defenders are using full contact to try and stop the striker. It's a 3-minute match, and the most number of goals wins. The drones have to be 20 centimeters, plus or minus 2 centimeters either way, and then they have a weight limit of 300 grams.
I am just so sad for my last day that I'm going to be flying drone soccer. I'm hoping to get a program started at my college, but I'm going to miss flying with all these guys.
It's 3 matches in a set. And if you just win the first 2, then you're done. You don't have to fly the 3rd one. The striker drone has flags on the underside, which differentiate it from the other drones, so that way the other team can recognize it.
We definitely see different strategies, and we learn how to replicate the strategy, then to beat the strategy when we're flying against it. And then if we find something that we really like, we really take it and try and make it our own, so it's not a blatant copy, but something similar. Cut it.
We're always looking for new players for our team. We've been around here for a while, but we have a lot of seniors leaving, and we would just love it if you'd reach out to me.